Every day after work, Kayla walks 3 miles to get home, and Michael walks 4.75 miles to get home. How many more yards does Michael walk each day after work than Kayla? So our goal is to find out how many more yards, with our key numbers being Kayla walks 3 miles and Michael walks 4.75 miles. So writing down your key numbers and your goals, you're going to automatically see this is a unit conversion problem. We have miles and we have yards. So now we must convert. So this is a unit conversion that you do not need to memorize, and you will find it on your reference sheet. So let's go ahead and write down our conversion. So 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. So there's two ways we could go ahead and attack this problem. We could convert both our distances into yards, then subtract, or we could subtract first, then convert them to yards. So let's go ahead and subtract first, then convert to yards, and I challenge you to do the other method. So 4.7 minus 3. So remember, you must line up your place values correctly. So I'm going to add zeros so each number has the same amount of digits so I do not get confused while subtracting. And let's make sure we place our decimal place in the correct location. So they have a difference of 1.75 miles. So let's create a ratio table. To get from 1 to 1.75, I know I just need to multiply by 1.75. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So I'm going to multiply 1,760 by 1.75. So let's get to work. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 6, 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 7, 35. Plus 3, 38. Let's scratch out this 8. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 3 is 8 again. Now we're working with the next place value. So let's put a 0. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 6, 42. Put the 4. 7 times 7, 49. Plus 4, 53. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. Now we're in the next place value, so now we have to put 2 zeros. Now we're just multiplying by 1. Went over my space a little. So let's add this. Let me just rewrite this over here. So let's go ahead and add. 3 plus 2 is 0. 1. 8 plus 9 plus 12. 8. Carry the 1. 0. 3. But then we had 2 place values. So let's not forget. 1, 2. So we get 3,080, which is B.